The combined moving 7-day average crypto market sentiment score for the top 10 coins by market capitalization remains in the neutral zone, though it has grown to 5.62 from last week's 5.28, shows the crypto market sentiment analysis service Amenix. As Bitcoin BTC is holding above 16,300 United States dollars, it continues to lead the crypto market in terms of sentiment, and its moving 7-day average continues to gain in the very positive zone at 7.6 out of 10. The same goes for Ethereum ETH, whose recent price action led its positive sentiment growth from 6.3 last week to 6.5 today. BTC and ETH are the only top 10 coins with positive market sentiment. As for other contenders, XRP, EOS, Chainlink Link, Binance Coin, BNB, and Cardano ADA had a favorable week as their sentiment grew by double digits, from 11% to 19%. As a result, all of them except for BNB are approaching the positive sentiment zone if they manage to maintain the momentum this week. The same applies to Litecoin LTC, whose sentiment didn't have a great week but still grew by 0.5% and is now in the neutral zone with 5.8. The only coin with a negative sentiment growth was Tether USDT, as it lost 2.8% of its last week's score and remains in the neutral zone with 5.2. Just like last week, BNB and EOS still share the lowest market sentiment amongst the top 10 coins by market capitalization and remain not far from the negative sentiment zone with the same score of 4.4, but at least EOS managed to get back to neutral sentiment. Sentiment change among the top 10 coins *, interpreting the Sent Scores scale, 0 to 2.5, very negative 2 to 3.9, somewhat negative zone 4 to 5.9, neutral zone 6 to 7.49, somewhat positive zone 7.5 to 10. Very positive. Looking at the past 24 hours, the picture is somewhat gloomier. All of the top 10 coins have lost a portion of their weekly Sent score and are in the red. The sole exceptions to this are XRP and BNB coins, whose sentiment has grown by 0.4% and 2.2% respectively. As such, the average moving 24-hour Sent score for the most popular coins is neutral and sits at 5.3, down from 5.47 last Monday. Again, Bitcoin and Ethereum are the only cryptoassets in the positive zone, scoring 7.4 and 6.4, and there are no coins in the somewhat negative level, shows the 24-hour report. Outside of the top 10 list amongst the coins measured by Amenix, NEM is the only cryptoasset with a somewhat positive 7-day moving average market sentiment of 6.1. By far the biggest growth in terms of Sent score last week was experienced by Tezos XTZ, which improved its Sent score by 30% and returned to the neutral zone. As such, Komodo KMD remains the only altcoin in the somewhat negative sentiment zone with a score of 3.9, the lowest amongst all coins measured by Amenix. Amenix measures the market sentiment by calculating the Sent score, which aggregates the sentiment from news, social media, technical analysis, viral trends, and coin fundamentals based upon their proprietary algorithms.